Today I'm going to show you how to hand pollinate cucumbers. You can use the same method to hand pollinate squashes, pumpkins and others. You will notice the vine makes a lot of male flowers. So how to identify them? This is the male flower. As you can see, there is no fruit at the back. So we will use it to hand pollinate. To hand pollinate, pick the male flower from the same vine. And this is the female flower. As you can see, there's a fruit at the back over here. Now inside the female flower, as you can see, there are 3 dots right in the middle over there. We will be hand pollinating over there. It is important for the female flower to be open like this. If the female flower is dried up, it's past where it can be hand pollinated. And the fruit that you see may turn brown and fall off. To hand pollinate, we're going to pull down all the petals of the male flower over here, right like this. Central portion like this. You can also break it like this so that the central area gets exposed better. Okay, now as you see, we've gotten it exposed now. Now we go to the female flower and we're gonna dab this exposed area of the male flower right in the middle. Here is another one that I hand pollinated a couple days back, and you can see that it was successful because it has started growing. And that's how hand pollination is done. There's one more step you need to do right now for all your plants to get a large harvest from your garden. I am linking it on the screen. Please check it out.